Namaskar and very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are very good at your home during lockdown period. I, Mohammad Syed Khurshid Ahmed, Assistant Professor, School of Hotel Management, BBD University, Lucknow. Today, I am going to take a lecture on the topic of housekeeping as a department. Right? Before we are going to start housekeeping as a department, we are going to tell about the hotel industry, what are the departments in hotel industry, then we will start housekeeping, right? First, we are going to tell about the hotel. What is hotel? Hotel is a place where you can enjoy or avail all the types of facilities like room staying, marriages, banquet parties, conferences, kitty parties. You can enjoy all the facilities under one roof, right? Hotel is a place where you can avail all the facilities under one roof after his settling the bill. Basically, hotel depend on four major departments. Basically, hotels are depend only four major parts of the department, right? First, reception or front office, we can say that. Second, housekeeping or accommodation operation. Third, kitchen or food production area. And fourth, F&B service department. Front office, where you can book all the rooms, where can you where you can ask anything about the hotel policies, right? You book your rooms, banquet parties at the front desk or front of the house, front of the house department, right? Second is housekeeping or accommodation operation. Accommodation operations or housekeeping is responsible for cleanliness, maintenance, aesthetic upkeep of the hotel and surrounding areas. Third, kitchen or food production area, where all types of dishes are prepared in the kitchen lab. And fourth one is F&B service, food and beverage service department. Right? It is responsible for serving all types of dishes which are prepared in the kitchen. They are served in restaurants, coffee shop, banquet hall, in the kitty parties, swimming pool areas, wherever the guest want, they can serve in the also in the guest rooms also. So they are basically four major parts of the department in the hotel industry, right? Now we are going to tell about the housekeeping. What is housekeeping and what is the role of housekeeping, duty and responsibilities of housekeeping, and importance of the housekeeping department. So we are going to start role of housekeeping in hospitality operation. The housekeeping department take pride in keeping the hotel clean, comfortable, so as to create a home away from home. This is a slogan for housekeeping. A home away from home means घर से दूर घर जैसा, right? घर से दूर घर जैसा, home away from home. The aim of all accommodation establishment is to provide their customers with a clean, attractive, comfortable, and welcoming surroundings that offer value for money. Nothing sends a stronger message than cleanliness in a hospitality operation. No level of service, friendliness, or glamour can equal the sensation a guest has upon entering a spotless, tidy, conveniently arranged room. Both management and guest consider the keeping of the place clean, good in a good manner, clean and in a good order, a necessity for a hotel to command a fair price and get repeat business, right? Housekeeping may be defined as the provision of cleaning, comfortable, and safe environment. It is not confined to the housekeeping department as every member of staff in the establishment should be concerned with the provision of these facilities in their own department. For example, the chef in the kitchen, the restaurant manager or head waiter in the restaurants, and the general manager has overall responsibilities, right? In any establishment, there are three departments particularly concerned with accommodation. Accommodation means housekeeping, right? In any establishment, there are three departments particularly concerned with accommodation operations. First, the reception, or we can say that front office. The reception department, whose staff sell and allocate the rooms for the guest. Second, the housekeeping department, whose staff plan, provide, and service the rooms. And third one is the maintenance department, whose staff provide adequate hot and cold water, sanitation, heating, lighting, and ventilation, as well as maintaining and repairing individual articles and area within the operation of the room, right? And we are moving another points, importance of housekeeping, right? What are the importance of housekeeping? Housekeeping is an operational department in a hotel which is responsible for cleanliness, maintenance, aesthetic upkeep of rooms. Aesthetic means beautifulness, सौंदर्य, जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं हिंदी में ना सौंदर्य, खूबसूरत, एस्थेटिक, राइट? एस्थेटिक अपकीप ऑफ रूम्स, पब्लिक एरिया, बैक एरिया एंड सराउंडिंग एरियाज. Upkeep of room to समझा, public area and back area. What is public area? Public area is a area where guests can move easily, freely. They can move anywhere in the hotel areas, right? And there are different types of public areas: entrance, lobby, reception, guest corridors, elevators, stairs, restaurants, banquet hall, conference hall, swimming pool, health club, gym, spa, and many more. There, guests can freely move anywhere. And what is back area? Back area are the areas where guests cannot move easily because it is restricted for the guest, like laundry areas, back of the house areas, garbage areas, kitchen areas, executive offices, back office of the front office area, manager's office. These are the back of the areas and surrounding areas, right? A hotel survive on the sale of rooms. A hotel survives on the sale of rooms, food, beverages, and other minor services such as laundry, health club, spa, etc. The sale of room constitutes the sale of rooms constitute a minimum of 50%. मीन्स होटल के जो प्रॉफिट पूरा आ रहा है 100%, अगर होटल की प्रॉफिट आ रही है इन ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स, तो उसमें से 50% जो है वो सिर्फ एकोमोडेशन ऑपरेशन या हाउसकीपिंग प्रोवाइड करा, रूम सेल से ओनली, राइट? 50% प्रॉफिट. तो द सेल ऑफ रूम्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट a minimum of 50% of these sales. Thus, the major part of the hotel margin of profit comes from the room sale, because a room once made can be sold over and over again, Once you set up the rooms only one time, and you can sell day by day, and maintenance charge only रूम वन डे रूम्स के जो ओनली 5% जो होता है उसके मेंटेनेंस चार्ज होते हैं पर डे का. तो आप उस रूम्स को बार बार डे बाय डे एवरी डे यू कैन सोल्ड एंड मेक अ प्रॉफिट, राइट? द एफर्ट दैट अ हाउसकीपिंग डिपार्टमेंट मेक्स in giving a guest a desirable room has a direct bearing on the guest experience in a hotel. Guest rooms are the heart of the hotel. The housekeeping department not only prepare clean guest rooms on a timely basis for arriving a guest, but also clean and maintains everything in the hotel so that the property is as fresh and attractive as the day it opened for the business. Housekeeping thus is an ancillary department that contributes in a big way toward the overall reputation of a property. It is rightly said that the housekeeping is a 24/7/365 operation. 24 means 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, and 365 means one whole year. मीन्स हाउसकीपिंग डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो 24 घंटे 7 दिन पूरे महीना पूरे साल कंटिन्यूअस वर्क करता था विदाउट एनी लीव, राइट? इट इज़ राइटली सेड दैट द हाउसकीपिंग डिपार्टमेंट इज अ 24/7/365 ऑपरेशन. Imagine the stacks of linen needed to make up all the beds in a hotel, the miles of carpeting, floors, walls, and ceiling to be cleaned and maintained, and cleaning compounds along with special tools and equipment needed order to clean. Other than hotels, professional housekeeping services are very much in demands in hospitals, on cruise lines, at offices, and more, since most such organizations prefer to outsource these functions. Contract housekeeping is becoming popular in these days. housekeeping is not working in the hotels, right? It is work in other places beside the hotels, like hospitals. You need clean areas, wardrobe, different type of patient wards. You clean the wards. So you need the housekeepers, you need the housekeeping staff for the cleaning purpose of the hospitals. You in the cruise lines, right? Cleaning needs everywhere. You know that cleaning is must. Safety, hygiene, they prepared clean areas in anywhere, in bank, in hospitals, in schools. The housekeeping is required everywhere. Housekeeping is required. Housekeeping department is required in everywhere, in all buildings, like banks, hospitals, offices, schools, library, cruise lines. There are different places they want housekeeping departments as a cleaning purpose, right? So housekeeping is more popular than other departments. Now we are moving another types of points. Role of housekeeping department or responsibilities of housekeeping department. Role or responsibilities of housekeeping department, right? Housekeeping play a very important role in the hospitality industry, such as to achieve the maximum possible efficiency in ensuring the care and comfort of guests and in the smooth running of the department. Next point, to establish a welcoming atmosphere and ensure courtesy, reliable service from all staff of the department. Right? Move another points. To ensure high standards of cleanliness and general upkeep in all areas for which the department is responsible. All area, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि ऑल एरियाज मीन्स फ्रंट ऑफ द हाउस एरिया एंड बैक ऑफ द हाउस एरिया, या पब्लिक एरिया एंड बैक ऑफ द एरियाज. व्हाट आर द पब्लिक एरियाज? मैंने ये बताया था, ईच एंड एवरी एरियाज वेयर कैन गेस्ट मूव फ्रीली. दे कैन मूव लाइक lobby, reception, entrance, conference hall, banquet hall, gym, spa, health club, right? These are the areas. So to ensure high standards of cleanliness and general upkeep in all areas for which the department is responsible, right? Next point, to provide linen in rooms. To provide linen in rooms, restaurant, banquet hall, conference venues, health club, and so on, as well as maintain an inventory for the same. In this point, two words are different which you don't listen. Yeah, you can say that one word is linen. What is linen? In the hospitality industry, linen is a term, linen is a collective term to all fabrics or laundering items. As we can say that this is the linen, fabrics or cloth which are used in the hospitality industry. We can say linen. For example, bed sheet, crinkle sheet, blanket, curtains, table cover, frill, napkins, right? These are comes under the linen. So to provide linen in the rooms, restaurants, banquet hall, conference hall, health club, bath towel, different type of bath towel, hand towel, face towels, bathrobe, bath mat, curtains, cushion covers, these are come under the linen, right? We can say that this is the linen. Health club and so on, as well as maintain an inventory for the same. What is the meaning of inventory? Means inventory. Inventory means physical counting of any items, and which is done in every 3 months. इन्वेंट्री काउंटिंग करते हैं, फिजिकल काउंटिंग करते हैं ईच एंड एवरी आइटम्स की every 3 months, right? To maintain the par stocks. To provide uniforms, the next point is to provide uniforms for all the staff and maintain adequate inventories for the same. Housekeeping is responsible for providing uniforms for all hotel staff in all departments: kitchen, F&B, security, HR, marketing, purchase, store, housekeeping itself, maintenance department also. So they housekeeping responsible for providing uniforms in all hotel staff and make inventory for the same. Means physical counting करके अपना स्टॉक मेंटेन करना, that is the work of the housekeeping department, right? To cater to the laundering requirement of the linen, staff uniforms and guest clothing. जितने भी लिनन्स हैं, होटल्स के लिनन्स हैं, स्टाफ की यूनिफॉर्म्स एंड गेस्ट क्लॉथिंग, इनकी क्लीनिंग एंड मेंटेनेंस, आयरनिंग, वॉशिंग, ड्राई क्लीनिंग, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग्स, it is responsible for the housekeeping department, right? To cater to the laundering requirements for the hotel linen, staff uniforms and guest clothing. To provide and maintain the floral decoration and maintain the landscape area of the hotels. I repeat again, to provide and maintain the floral decoration. What is the meaning of floral decoration? Floral means flower decorations, right? Flower decoration which are needed in the lobbies, in the banquet hall, in the conference hall, in the guest rooms, in the restaurants. They can maintain our departments, our area with the flowers, right? So to provide and maintain the floral decoration and maintain the landscaped area. What is the meaning of landscaped area? Garden areas are also known as landscaped area. तो जो होटल्स के गार्डन होते हैं उसको मेंटेन करना, उसको ईयरली, मंथली, डे बाय डे प्रोवाइड करना, टाइप्स ऑफ ट्री, टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स, मेंटेन द फ्लावर्स, मेंटेन द गार्डन्स, राइट? These are we can say that the landscaped area, right? Maintain the landscaped or garden area of the hotel property. To coordinate renovation and refurbishing of the property as and when in consultation with the management and with interior designers. Housekeeping is coordinate renovation and refurbishing of the property and as when in consultation with the management and with interior designers. What is the renovations? Right? Renovation क्या होता है? जो रूम्स की प्रॉपर्टी को मेंटेन करते हैं, right? Renovations, we can say that. Renovation is freshness up the look and feel of the interior space, providing a means to update and modernize the system that provides safe, comfortable and convenient interior environment, right? That is a renovation, means the process of renewing and updating the hotel property. There are three types of renovations: minor renovations, major renovations and restorations. Minor renovation, major renovations and restorations. What is minor renovation? Minor renovation is done after 5 to 7 years in every hotels, 5 to 7 years. And what are you doing in the minor renovation? The scope of a minor renovation is to replace or renew the non-durable furnishing and finishes within a space without changing the space, use, or physical layout. For example, a minor renovation of a guest room might include replacing carpets and wall covering, drapery, bedspread, minor paint works, and touch up of the wooden furnitures. These are come under the minor renovations. And major renovations. Major renovations. A major renovation of a guest rooms might include every desirable as a minor renovations plus the replacement of furniture, bedding, lighting and accessories. In many cases, bathroom is upgrade to which might include replacing vinyl flooring or ceramic tiles or replacing the vanity and laboratory units, right? जो मेजर रिनोवेशन होता है इट्स कम अंडर द 12 after 12 to 15 years, within a 12 to 15 years. Or you can change your furnitures, you can change your curtains, you can change your carpets in the major renovations. You can change the painting works in your rooms, right? That is the comes under the major renovations. And restoration, what is the meaning of restoration? Restoration means this is a restoring a property to its exact original design with authentic materials. Authentic materials के थ्रू आप माइनर रेनोवेशंस को रेस्टोरेशन को चेंज करते हैं. इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन, यू कैन चेंज एनी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन like porticos, lobbies areas, yeah, two small rooms are after one become a big rooms. You can change two rooms within a one rooms. That is a restorations, right? To deal with lost and found articles, housekeeping is deal with lost and found articles. To ensure training, control and supervision of all staff attached to the department. To ensure training, control and supervision of all staff attached to the department. Housekeeping is responsible for arrange the training session, mock drill for the new employees and as well as old employees, right? To establish a good working relationship with other department. Housekeeping is also responsible for to establish a good working relationship with other departments. And what are the other departments in the hotel industry beside the housekeeping? Maintenance department, laundry, front office, kitchen area, security area, purchase area, store area, right? These are the HR areas. These are the other departments. Housekeeping is coordinated with this all departments, right? To ensure that safety and security regulations are made known to all staff of the department. With the help of security department, you tell about your staff what is the rules, what are the rule regulations, safety and security purpose. You organize training session, mock drilling in emergency situations, handling for the emergency situation like fire in the hotels, gas leakage in the hotels, keys lost, lost and found department. How can you handle with this situation? The security department arrange all the mock drill training session with the help of housekeeping department, right? So to ensure that safety and security regulations are made known to all staff of the housekeeping department. This is the major points which I told you. What is the housekeeping, what is hotels, what are the different types of department in the hotels, basically what is the housekeeping department, what is the duty and responsibilities of housekeeping department, and what is the role or what is the importance of housekeeping department. Today this topic is end in, and in the next lecture we are going to tell about next point. Okay, so that's it for the day. Thank you and best of luck. Good luck. If you have any queries, if you have any queries with this topic which I told you, you can ask me on this number. My number is 933 I repeat again, 933 You can ask any query question related this topic. Thank you very much.